How to apply for a BDO credit card. Now, if this is your first time applying for a credit card specifically on BDO, then I will prefer you to use your laptop or PC so that you'll have a big vision of options that you can go ahead and just simply choose on your screen. Now just open up any preferred web browser and then just head directly to BDO.com's official site. Now once you're here, you just have to click on the apply option in here, and then if you scroll down a bit, you can go ahead and explore any accounts that you can apply. And here you have four options: accounts, credit cards, loans, and BDO Pay. Now just simply choose on credit cards, and this is where you can explore on what specific credit card you will have or you would like to apply. So if it's going to be for Visa or Master, let's say for example, let's try on Visa. Just simply choose on apply now. And before doing this, you just have to make sure that you have sufficient amount of requirements before proceeding. Then here choose whether it's going to be for a classic, gold, or platinum. So for example, we are creating or applying for a Visa Classic. Again, just choose on apply now on these relevant option based on your um, specific account that you'd like to open. And here just continue on the on-screen prompts and you should be able to open an account with BDO. So that's how you apply or open up an account with credit card on BDO.